My name is Troy Mikulka. I found Brian about 10 years ago, just kept following him until he started Heroic, and then got really involved in Heroic after that and joined Class 9. I already coach entrepreneurs, and I wanted to bring a higher level of education, personal development, and personal mastery to executives and CEOs and entrepreneurs. I think it helps myself and other people be more directed in trying to reach their vision, organize their energy, organize their tasks, have a plan daily to create their dream life. I would say it brings together people that are all trying to improve themselves. You have a big support community. Everybody is very caring and helpful. Really, everybody will support you, but then you have your certain people that you really click a lot with. Then you can always draw from them when you're having challenges or you want to have a better experience or more information from a certain area that somebody else has more experience. You have that dream team that you can pull from Heroic, because the quality of people are just really amazing people. For the workshop, there was a different type of information than the regular Heroic. So this experience is more driven towards how to run a workshop. So many different people had unique ways of doing the workshop. So besides the general information on how to put a workshop on with Heroic material, you also have so many different techniques that you can pick up for really making a workshop great. A couple tough days, but it's a lot of work. It's like training for a marathon, but for our mind. I think when we joined Heroic, you're making a commitment to transform your life, but this workshop is taking it to another level. Every level improves you more, and the commitment to do the workshop, even if you're not going to put on workshops, it's definitely good for being able to transform yourself to another level.